Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to set up Google reCAPTCHA in Magento 2. So let's check out how we are going to make the security more increase on the Magento forms on Magento login panel. So let's check how we are going to configure it. So first of all, where you need to go to the configuration. In the stores configuration, where you need to go, just need to go where it is security, go Google reCAPTCHA for the admin. So I'm going to add Google reCAPTCHA v2 invisible key. You can configure same as v3 invisible also. So here I'm just configured now. Just I'm copying this, my copy site key. This is for this is site key and the secret key. Let's going to add it. Visible site key, website key, and the secret key would be like this. I have added, and language code we don't required. Google reCAPTCHA for the storefront, it is done. Let's check the Google reCAPTCHA for the admin panel. I'm going to add secret key over here, and here I'm going to add this key, and this is save this configuration. Okay, have flush the cache management, this is done. After doing following these steps, let's check the admin, oh sorry, the front end also and the admin on the same note. Let me go to the this page pub. Let me go to the sign in or create an account. I think it should come over here. Let me check what is the issue. Console. There is no issue. Then why it's not loading? Because see, there is much more space over here. I don't know why it's not showing. Give me a second. Google Google reCAPTCHA. There is something here. You must provide no mismatch page builder. You must provide valid. Let me check the configuration. This is, go to the settings. Here we have added verify, and domain is localhost. Let me check again Google reCAPTCHA for this storefront. Okay, here we have forgot. Enable v2. I'm not a robot. Enable on forgot password. Creating a new customer. Editing a customer. Enable for contactors. Right? If I'm going to save this configuration, this is done. Let's go and flush the cache. Let's go and check. It's still not visible because we are just creating an account over here. Let me open in a private window. Inspect the tool console. It has errors or the keys are not working. Recapture, save, save page 0. Go to the settings. Recapture keys. Use the site can HTML code to site server. See the client side, configure server side. Secret key. Go to the stores configuration. Security, storefront, reCAPTCHA. I am here. I'm using another one, and here I'm saving another one. Now the cache is flushed. Reload the page. See, it come. I'm not a robot, right? So this is how you can configure the captcha. You have all the functionalities over here. So don't need to go anywhere. You want to enable captcha v2, I'm not a robot, invisible captcha, invisible 3-1, failure message you can configure, storefront in which you want enable newsletter subscription. That is very important. Sometimes newsletter subscription junk mails are coming on, so you can add this captcha. It's very important, right? Checkout, place order, enable PayPal flow, Braintree. You can just configure it and just enable on which page you want, and it's done, right? So I hope you understand what exactly I have explained. So if you have any issue, just write in the comment box. I will explain if you have found any issues, right? So you where you need to go? Security, and both have Google reCAPTCHA for the admin panel, right? And here for the admin panel, you need to just enable it for yeah, I'm not a robot, right? And for the forgot password, you can enable it for right from here, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I will just enable this one also for now. Let's see it is working or not. Visible captcha is not there. I'm not robot. So I'm going to fill this captcha also. So here we have to go this and recaptcha keys this. Let me go to the configurations. I'm going to save this, and here we need to select which one. I'm not robot. Save this configuration. Cancel. Save. Okay. Cache. Flush. Right. If I'm going to copy this one admin and open in a private window, let's check. Captcha is there or not. See the captcha is there. You need to write the bicycles. Motorcycles you can add. See, so this how you can use the captcha v2 v3 invisible I'm not a robot. You can add all this to captcha over here, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand what exactly the recaptcha process. Okay, yeah, that's it. Please do like, share and comment. That gives me more like power to add more videos on that. So thank you so much. Have a great day.